I am Daniela Turiccki, the Export Controls Advisory Practice Lead. My experience in export controls is from working in a civil and military aerospace business. I worked as a commercial officer as part of that business, dealing with all the contracts and the imports and exports for the aerospace components. My experience was very limited at that point. I was used to importing and exporting minor metals previous to that role, and then thrown into an export control environment where I wasn't sufficiently trained or qualified for that position. Had I known at that point about the Chartered Institute of Export and International Trade, I would have reached out for the training and qualifications that they now provide. The Export Controls Advisory Practice is a wealth of knowledge and experience that the team have that can help support you and your business to comply within the rules and regulations of export controls. That covers both the UK and international. The Export Controls Advisory Practice can help build capabilities, experience and knowledge in what's required on a daily basis in the export controls environment. The biggest challenges that I can see at present in export controls is the fact that there's an ever-changing environment with the challenges that are now being advanced upon all businesses. So you have the changes with sanctions and regulations coming from the US with the Trump administration. You have AUKUS that is now in place, where there are many intricate details that are needed to understand on how that OGL works. We also have OGLs that are ever changing. We never used to have to use certain documents to the European market before, and now we have to understand all that information and ensure that you're selecting the correct document and the correct licence to move your goods compliantly. The Export Controls Advisory Practice can help businesses with the challenges that they face on a daily basis through training and education. We also have the International Trade Surgery, which is an amount of time that you can spend with a consultant that is an expert in export controls and help you navigate the challenges. We also have the Customs Health Check, where one of our consultants will come into your business and complete an audit of all your documentation and how you manage your products.